Okay, we're in Vancouver Harbour on a Blackfin 33 with a pair of new 400 horse injected big block V8s. Trying to sort out an autopilot problem in a Raymarine E97 that's not behaving. Nice boat with electronic controls. Full suite of Lavorsi gauges. Let's give her a go. We're on the pilot. Drop her in gear. See how this thing responds. Try the autopilot. We'll do a 30-degree starboard course change. Easy 2950 RPM. 18 knots through the water. 18.5 over the ground. Bottom looks good. It's only 75 feet. That's about the best we can do. Try a bigger course change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50 degrees starboard course change. Oh, I might not have hit that right. There we go. Gotta hit this thing hard. System still functional. No loss of GPS was a customer complaint. Good handling boat. Trying to make it lose bottom by doing some turns at 18 knots. Can't do it. Back around the other way. Sounds pretty good. We'll put her back on the autopilot. Take the speed up. 4,000 RPM, 25 knots, bottom. I'll slow her down. Here we are. Another day at the office. I've always been a Bertram guy, but you know, maybe this Blackfin could get your attention. Have a good one.